Hey guys, my name's Andy and you are watching Anything But a Job, the channel where we help you to make money by doing anything but a job. And today I'm going to quickly show you how to make your first online sales for free. So by that I mean no money on ad spend. It doesn't have to be pretty, it's just about getting those first 1, 2, 5, 10 sales through the door. So here's 3 quick and dirty techniques to get it done. And number 3 is an absolute bang up that doesn't get talked about that much. So make sure you stick around for that one. And technique number 1, it's not glamorous, but eBay. Now I know what you're thinking, you've just built a beautiful store on Shopify or WooCommerce. You don't want to be selling on eBay, you can't keep the data, you can't put them on your mailing list. But look, when you're starting out, it's just about getting those first few sales any way you can. Then you can start the feedback loop. You can start asking your customers, hey, what did you think of it? Is there anything that you want improving? Also, getting those first few sales through the door is going to give you the confidence that you need to continue, basically. And it's going to let you know that, yeah, actually, people do want this. I am going to pursue this. And then from there, you can start building. And hey, guess what? When the customer goes to reorder or buy more stuff similar to what you've sold them, they're going to search for your company name because your branding will be all over the product if you've done it right. And they're going to find you on Google, and then they're coming on your store and you've not paid a penny to get them there. Quick and dirty technique number 2, sending free samples to micro-influencers. And the emphasis here is on the micro. I think as we move into 2021, people are becoming less trusting of your big influencers. We're talking, millions of followers. And also, they're not just going to promote your product because you've sent them a free sample. It's much better to get 10 micro-influencers with say 10,000 followers each than one influencer with 100,000 followers. So find some people in your niche with followings of between 5,000 and up to maybe 20 if you're lucky. Strike up a conversation, say, hey, do you like this product? I think it'd be a great fit, I love your page, can I send you it as a free gift? Personally, I don't always say, if we send you this, can you promote it on your thing? Because if you send them a free sample, everyone knows what's going on, and chances are they are just going to promote it anyway. 9 times out of 10, as long as they like it, they're going to post about it. And it's not cost you a thing other than the cost of the product, which is way cheaper than dropping money on Facebook ads or anything like that. And the worst thing you can do as a beginner is just going out and giving an influencer a load of money before you've got all the other pieces right. Because chances are it's just going to flop and you've blown a load of money in one single shot. That will come later once you're sure about your product, the branding and all the other pieces of the puzzle. So number 2, sending free samples to micro-influencers. Technique number 3 for getting your first online sale for free. Forums, groups and relevant subreddits. So by this I mean anywhere where a community is hanging out talking about your niche or your industry, the market that relates to your product or your set of products. Go there, start making conversation with people. Now don't go on there as the brand and start posting, hey, do you want to buy my stuff, blah, 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 because people aren't going to like that. They're going to see right through it and go, oh, you've just come here to sell your stuff, go away. Especially on Reddit, that really doesn't go down at all. So it's a bit of a sly way to do it. I don't know how you feel about this, but you go on there as a customer, asking for recommendation for a product that solves the problem that your product does. I'm probably not making very much sense here. Let's say, for example, you sold calculators with massive buttons, right? Like this, because I've got clumsy fingers. So go on to this hypothetical, a maths forum or a maths subreddit and say, hey guys, I've got really fat fingers. Do you know where I can buy a calculator with massive buttons? People are gonna go, oh yeah, this one's good. Oh yeah, this one's got big buttons, blah, blah, blah. And then you go, oh yeah, interesting. Have a bit of conversation so it looks real. And then at the end go, I ended up buying this one and I absolutely love it. Attach a link to your product on your store. If it's on Reddit, for example, that will stay there till the end of time. Anyone else that goes on there is going to see that and go, oh, this is a genuine customer, blah, 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 blah. Again, like I said, it's a bit sly, but don't worry. It's about getting it through the door any which way you can when you're starting off. Depending on how niche you are as well, if it's a real niche industry, that Reddit question could even show up on Google if someone types, where can I find a calculator for people with big fingers? It's a terrible example. I don't know why I've come up with that, but hopefully you'll get the point. So go on there, pretend to be a customer looking for something that solves the problem that your product does, create a bit of dialogue about it, and then at the end say, I found this product, I bought it, I absolutely love it, it's amazing, here's where I got it from, done. Like I said, it's about just getting those first few sales, any which way you can, just get the ball rolling. Let me know what you think of that. If you think, nah, that's not really for me, let me know in the comments below why that's the case. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe because we'll have plenty more videos like this. And if you are just starting out, we've got a video which you definitely should watch before you do anything else. It's the top 3 mistakes which I made when I was first starting out on my e-commerce journey. I'll put a link for it somewhere around here, not quite sure where. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, please subscribe. Comment below if you think I've missed something or if you're going to try one of these techniques. And if you have tried one of these techniques, did it work, didn't it work? I'd love to know your thoughts. And I'll see you next time.